My room is a hot ass mess. Yes, I'm wearing boxers, but you know what else I'm doing? Minding my business. Hello, my beautiful people. First of all, could we get in focus? Focus on me. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. All right, so let's discuss the elephant in the room, which just so happens to be everything.
It was December 24th on Hollis Ave at the dark when I seen a man chilling with his dog at the park.
Okay, so I know it looks a mess. A lot of you are probably like, Tiffany, how's your mental health, sweetie? Is it okay? Because the room is giving, it's giving. I don't know what it's giving, but it's giving. Anyways, so I clearly need to clean up my room. And the crazy thing is, I didn't come home and the room was like this. But you know what? Let me sit back down. Okay, I had to change because I was sweating. Y'all, I'm always wearing some form of Howard gear. Like, it's the subliminal messages for me. It's the over advertising for me. Please look at my old ID.
I am disgusted.
Oh my god, all my medicine fell. This joint just really blew me. Ooh, it's the fact that my hair. It's the fact that I'm doing full straddling right now.
That is not correct.
I could just move my ring light and tripod, but you know, I just love to be difficult and put myself in the most difficult positions all the time. Is your room really dirty if it doesn't have a plethora of water bottles that are like barely full? We have about, I want to say like 3/4, maybe half of a bag full, which honestly isn't that bad. Like sometimes I'll fill up a whole bag and more, so that's really not that bad. So I know whenever I'm about to like do my clean clothes, like, you know, like fold them, hang them up, all of that, I just go ahead and start on my dirty clothes, because then I get myself in a cycle. Because it's like, you don't want to just start folding and hang up your clean clothes and then have to wait for your dirty clothes to be ready. You know what I mean? You know what I mean.
With every Christmas card
There's gotta be an easier way to do this, and for some reason I haven't figured it out yet. Comment down below if you have any suggestions. I'm just clearly not thinking hard enough, you know what I mean? But like, I'm also petite, so is there really many options? I don't know. A lot of you think I'm 5'10", and let me tell you, the joke is on you. While I fold, I'm actually going to watch a cute little Christmas movie to put on in the background. right, so this is how much was in the basket, which actually wasn't a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and start basically like getting all of these clothes out of my suitcase and my other bags and adding them to the pile.
Bling, bling, bling. Bitches is mad.
Alright, so my battery died, but we're back and live. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. So this was all the clothes that were in the suitcase, the bag, and then in the laundry bin. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all these clothes and put them in the closet. But the first thing I need to do is move all of these bags and all this stuff out of the area so I could just, you know, go from the bed and then go to the closet. Ooh! Now we got a clear pathway.
Two weeks later.
It's about 2 weeks later from when I originally recorded this. Are we surprised? No. Okay, so as you can see, I got my Christmas attire on, okay? So my room is fully clean. It's been clean for like a minute now, but I have not put up these Christmas decorations. One being, I just started a major renovation project in my house where me and my mom are redoing our kitchen. And child, that has been a process in itself, on top of the fact that in between that, I had an allergic reaction. My mom dropped a knife into her hand and had to get stitches. It's been a very adventurous past 2 weeks. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get into the Christmas decorating part of this video, period. Okay, can you see my, can you see my head? I don't know, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is take off this because, sweetie, it's no longer summer, it's no longer spring. She was cute, but it's time for Christmas. And then this is just like my baby shoe. If anyone's wondering, I was born January 30th, 1999. I'm an Aquarius sun, Cancer moon, Taurus rising, okay? I'm a psychopath, basically. Okay, so this is the stuff that is, I think, going to stay. So I want to first get the tree up here because that's going to be the main focus. This tree is so pretty, y'all. Like, hey girl. Okay. Listen to me, this is the idea. So I'm thinking about using these Tiffany boxes, this old Allie.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Woo. This old Alex and Ani box, and basically just kind of placing these here as like little gifts. Not me getting excited like that. That was ugly. I did that. Okay, so on the second shelf, as y'all could see, I have a plethora of books in different colors. And like, that's just not... it's not really going with the vibe, you know what I'm saying? So what I'm thinking about is, because I can't really just like shove these books anywhere else, I'm going to actually take these books, since they're all kind of like similar lengths and widths, and wrap them into gifts.
You better stop!
Hold on, because creative strategist who, creative director who, interior decorator who, like...
hold on, do it. Yeah.
And honestly, this is just a really great idea because I don't plan on reading the stars and planets in the next couple of weeks, so like, it's fine, you know? And this is the wrapping paper that I'm going to be using. Ooh. Okay, so I've wrapped these books terribly, not gonna lie, but we're gonna go ahead and stage this shelf here. Okay, so for here, I'm thinking about just putting some lights around like the top of it and letting it droop down a little bit to the side. So let me tell you about the best Christmas lights that I've ever purchased in my life that Philips no longer sells. First of all, they were known as the dewdrop lights. Now the Philips dewdrop lights, now they don't look like what they need to be looking like. First of all, ma'am, hold on. Let me just show you what it really looks like. Ma'am, do y'all see this? I mean, like, how dare Philips no longer sell these? Okay, so I was going to put some string lights actually like around the top of my curtains, but now I'm actually thinking about doing it around this mirror so that like when I take cute little selfies and all of that, you know, be giving you the Christmas, the wintry spirit. I kind of vibe with this. I still have this left, and then I still have this candle left. Now this candle is clearly just not going with the theme. So what I think I'm gonna do is actually take this off. Even though it's really cute, it's just that the vibe in here is not red and green, you know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna go ahead and take that off. And then what I'm thinking, because there's like a scratch here, y'all can't really see it, but I can, is put this right here in the middle so it like covers the tag. Girl, you would never even know. Okay, so this is literally the last thing because the camera is about to die. Okay, so as y'all can see, I have some holiday pieces here, okay? Very cute, very luxe. I'm gonna try and like set this up as if it's like an outfit, but it's like also a vision. Alright, hold on. Let me explain what I want to do here. So basically, I want to make it look like it's actually on somebody. So, but because the hanger is like up here, and then this is like a short hanger, it's going to look like this, which isn't gonna work. So I'm actually going to take like an extended hair tie it to the hanger so that it can like bounce off of it. Ooh! Okay, shorty. She's cute. Like, y'all might not think this is actually like a great idea, but like I'm really vibing with this.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
You have finally reached the end of the video! Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all really enjoyed this video. My whole goal was to kind of create like just little moments and little scenes throughout my room, which I think I did without really switching up my decor fully because I like having that like white black with plants type theme room, but I wanted to add some touch of like wintry, you know, Christmassy vibes just to create an overall cozy. I think that's a good way of like saying it, an overall cozy vibe. Y'all, this video has taken me forever to record, but as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.